Okay, let's do the problem 10. And the problem 10 says, to what extent does the mathematics performance explain the NMAT performance? So, basically with this one, what is our explanatory variable? Mathematics. Explanatory variable is mathematics. And our response variable is NMAT. So it is a response variable. Alright? So with this one, we wanted to explain the extent. No? In not only just relationship. Not only just explaining the variation in NMAT that is explained by math. Alright? So with this calls for regression. So now we will go to our data, and then we go to analyze, no, and then click regression, and then click linear. With this, okay, let's just say for example I don't have this one yet. Okay, so what is our explanatory variable? Math. Okay, so if the explanatory variable is math, then it will go to the independent. And what is the response variable? NMAT. Okay, so we have that. So you can check if there's anything you want. We wanted a model fit. No, we wanted, if you want descriptives, you can, but later na lang. Okay? Alright. And then we click OK. So we have here a regression. You can look at the R. Can you check kanina when we had this, if the R is 0.732 between NMAT and math, kanina?
Yes.
And then you have the R square of 0.53. You remember that?
Yes.
Kanina we did, no? We said. So our R says that this is the linear relationship. Alright? If this is the linear relationship, how strong is the association? Is it high? Is this high?
Yes, ma'am.
R. Hello?
Significant.
R pa lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo, R, right? And the R squared is 0.53. It means that 53% of the variation in what? Ayo. 53% of the variation in NMAT is explained by math. Oo. So this time, we have our regression. We'll go wait lang. Here. We have here our regression. So here we can create our model. So we said kanina, our regression model, that's our example. Y hat is equal to a b sub 0 plus b sub 1 x. Okay? So with this example, with this result, your b sub 0 is what? What is the intercept here? It's 118.907. That's b sub 0. And what is your b sub 1, which is your slope? It is negative 21. Okay? So, what is now our model? Our model is going to be y hat is equal to 118.907 minus 21.049. So how are we going to explain? We have to explain what is the interpretation for our b sub 1 and our b sub 0. So our b sub 1 is what? What do you want to explain first our b sub 1, our slope? Our b sub 1 is negative 21.049. This means that for every 1 unit increase in x, y decreases by negative 21 point. Y decreases by 21. So I do not have to say it redundantly that y decreases by negative. Okay, so for every 1 unit increase in x, what is our x again? It is a math grade. So for every 1 unit increase in math grade, the Y or the N math decreases by by 21. Okay. So maybe some of you will wonder, when they increase in their grade, their NMAT performance decreases? Because we have a different way of looking at the grade. Between 1 and 2 grade, 1 is higher. Okay? So basically, in essence, this means what? In essence, this is when you increase your math, in terms of equivalent, the NMAT increases by what? By 21. And this is percentile rank, remember? So meaning basically, if you have a grade of 2, okay? A grade of 2 in terms of your math, but if you should have a grade of 1, the impact to that on your NMAT is what? Is 21. You get that? Ang laki ng impact. This time when we say extent and impact, you have a number that describes. Kanina, when we had our Pearson R, it only tells us the variation in percentage and the strength of the relationship. But we do not have the number. You get the point? Okay. But is the model significant? Is the model significant? You look at here.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
The model is highly significant. And then you look at the F. This is what will come out in your table. Okay? Sige, let me elaborate more.